are the benefits of using a Delaware VA loan to purchase or refinance your home? Hello, I'm John Thomas with Prime Residential Mortgage. On this episode of Mortgages Made Simple, I'm going to review the benefits, the pros and cons of a VA home loan to purchase or refinance your home. So if you're a military veteran, either the Navy, the Marines, the Army, the Air Force, the Coast Guard, the Reserves, the National Guard, you may be eligible for a veterans loan if you have certificate eligibility from the VA. So what are the benefits of getting that VA loan? Well, the first one is you can get 100% financing Delaware up to $453,100. So that is an awesome loan program, 100%, no down payment, no monthly mortgage insurance. Now, you can borrow more than $453,100 if you go above that loan limit. VA says you simply have to put down 25% of the difference. So if you're buying a house for $460,000, then you have to put down 25% of $6,900. So it's still not much money. The other big benefit, no down payment required. Now you can put down money on a VA loan. You can put 0 down, 5% down, 10%, 20%, but you're not required to put anything down. And the other another big benefit of the VA loan is the seller can pay all of your customary closing costs for purchasing a home. So if you have a good real estate agent that understands VA financing, and your lender will allow you to do it, then you can negotiate for the seller to pay all of your closing costs. VA loans also have some of the best interest rates. They're usually better than FHA, conventional, USDA, whatever's out there. Typically VA loans are giving you some of the best interest rates. That is another benefit of being a veteran. Now there's no monthly mortgage insurance. So if you put down less than 20% on any other loan type, conventional, FHA, USDA, you're going to be required to pay mortgage insurance on a monthly basis. VA, you do not have mortgage insurance with putting even 0% down because the Department of Veterans Affairs is taking care of the mortgage insurance. All they do is charge you a funding fee, which you are actually allowed to roll into the loan. So you don't even have to come up with it. You can borrow it into your VA home loan. Now, if you're a disabled veteran, they waive the funding fee, so that's even better. Now, it's guaranteed by the Department of Veteran Affairs. That's why you don't have to pay the mortgage insurance on a monthly basis, because they're backing the loan, and that's why lenders are willing to lend you 100% financing, because it's got the full backing of the United States government through the Department of Veteran Affairs. Minimum credit score is 600 to apply for a VA loan, so you can have a low credit and get a VA home loan, so that's good news there as well. So you can be active duty, reserves, National Guard, or retired veterans can apply for the loan. If you are a spouse of a veteran, the veteran has to be on the loan. Unless the veteran has died from a service-related activity, then it's the spouse. As long as you've not remarried, you can use your deceased spouse's certificate eligibility and get a VA home loan for the purchase or refinance of a home. So the VA home loan program was actually created by the U.S. Congress in 1944, and since its creation has helped more than 20 million women and men who served in the U.S. military become homeowners or refinance their home loans. So it is an awesome program. It has been around. There's great benefits for using it. If you are a veteran, hands down, there is no loan program better for you than applying for a VA home loan. So if you're purchasing a home in Delaware, use a Delaware Veterans Loan program. Now, are you eligible for a VA loan? That's a great question. Our team of VA loan specialists at Primary Residential Mortgage on the John Thomas team, we can determine your eligibility for a VA loan. We can assist you in getting your what's called your certificate of eligibility, or COE for short. That is what says you're entitled to a VA loan. Without that, you won't be able to get a VA loan. So some real quick guidelines if you qualify. If you've served 181 days during peacetime active duty, you should qualify for your certificate of eligibility. If you serve 90 days during wartime active duty, then you should qualify for your certificate of eligibility. If you serve 6 years in the reserves or the National Guard without missing any time in those 6 years, then you'll be able to get your certificate of eligibility. If you miss some time, you may actually have to do a little bit more than 6 years to qualify. If you're the spouse of a service member who was killed in the line of duty, or you're the spouse of a serviceman who died from a service-related disability, those are the ways that you can qualify for your certificate of eligibility so that you can get a Delaware VA home loan to purchase or refinance. So how do you apply? Very easy. Give us a call, 302-703-0727, or you can start the process online at prmiloanapplication.com, and we will get you started, and one of our VA loan specialists will answer all your questions, get you pre-approved extremely fast, and either help you purchase or refinance your home loan. Look forward to seeing you guys on the next Mortgages Made Simple.